Water tank day. They are going in there. So that's pretty much the layout they're going to sit in once they get underneath the van. They're going on the driver's side. So I've got a series of holes in this cross member up here, this one here. These weren't actually tapped, but I've run a tap through them and now I've got threaded holes in there. What I'm going to do is a piece of angle iron, like, oh crikey, so that'll go on like that, and then we'll hang straps off these. I'll put some bolts through into this. Straps will come around in an L shape, and then we'll have something hanging off the side here as well, and that will have the bottom bolts which will hold the tank in, or both of them, hopefully. Alright, do a quick trial fitment just to make sure that all that work I've spent the whole morning doing actually was correct. Now, there's my first problem. Now my bolts are too short, so I didn't take into account the fact that I need spaces to get past all these little bits of extra metal. Anyway, I can make up the brackets. I have to paint them tonight anyway, so they won't be ready to put on permanently. Right, day 2 of lying under the van now. Like everything, you think you're going to get knocked over in a day and it takes 2. Right, so that all lines up. Basically I've got riv nuts going into the sill here, and this bolt's in with 6 bolts along the side. I've got to make up an extra little strut to come down here. I'll put another riv nut in there, weld that on, and then from there L-shaped brackets will come from this bracket up to here, so they'll come down like this, and the tank will fit in between that. Some rubber blocks in there just to stop it moving around and to keep it firmly in place. That should only take me about another 3 days at the rate I'm going. So we'll put a hole there. We'll cut this about there. And the rest I'll make up as I go along. A little bit more massaging, get it in the right spot, then I can weld it up. Right, so hopefully this is the last test fitment. It's all good from here. I just need to make up the straps to hold the tanks, and then we're done. Sometimes it'd be nice to actually have some proper tools. It's sort of like 90 degrees. Not too bad. I can live with that. Oops. Uh-oh. Come on, stay there. Okay, 3 more of those, thanks. Right, seems to all fit nicely, so now pull it all back out and paint it.